allow me, sir?
Yes, have a seat. There was a murder last night of a prominent figure in Perdana University. We have 2 suspects caught on CCTV footage. I believe it is an inside job and they want to be caught.
Got it.
Mr. Bond.
We have collected all the samples we need. We can run the autopsy tomorrow.
Welcome to the autopsy, Mr. Bond. We received the body yesterday. There were signs of strangulation around the victim's neck. There were bruises around the victim's arms, which shows that the victim fought back. This is clearly a homicidal round.
Guys, excuse us please. We have a third suspect.